Okay, we're doing examples of this Pythagorean trigonometry, and pretty typical of what ones end up on the exam. So let's just take a look at this one. You're given that 17 cos theta equals -8, and you're told that theta is an element of it, means it's between 180 and 360 degrees. Calculate without the use of a calculator and with the aid of a diagram the value of 8 tangent theta minus 17 sine theta. Okay, so this is what you do. First, you start and you just divide by 17. So you put it in that form, cosine theta. Well, now you've got an x value and an r value, and you know x and r, you know, because r is always positive anyways, you know that x must be -8. So if cosine is negative, that's where x is negative. Some people like to use this tick method. There's two places it could be, the second quadrant or the third quadrant. So that's the first thing. But hey, they said that the angle should be between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So that means it could be in the third or the fourth quadrant. Well, the only place where both of those things happen is the third quadrant. And that's why you draw your diagram in the third quadrant, just like this. Now, I know because it was given, let's go back here for a second. It was given, or at least we figured out, we've got the -8 and we've got the 17 right here. Well, we can figure out the -15 by Pythagoras. And all we have to do is, because we're looking for the short side here, this triangle's out of proportion, all we do is square the two sides and subtract, and then take the square root, and we get 15. But we know that we're going down, so it must be -15. It must be -15 because we go down to get into this third quadrant. Well, now we have the whole triangle. We have the adjacent side, we have the opposite side, we have the hypotenuse side. We can use SOHCAHTOA to find any of the three trig functions. Well, tangent theta, opposite over adjacent, is -15 over -8. Sine theta is -8 over, is -15 over 17. -8 over 17 was cos theta that we were given. But the opposite side over the hypotenuse is -15 over 17. All you do is just put those numbers in there. The 8s cancel, the 17s cancel. These both become positive. So that's 15 plus 15. That equals 30. So that's the other typical type of Pythagorean question you're going to face. We've got 5 good questions for you to try, and take your time and really make sure you can figure this out, because this ends up on exams a lot. So here we go. And there's a memo that goes with it too. Okay. So, and that's it.